Next story. Unlocking the mystery. Can you recall your earliest childhood memories? In the depths of the human mind lies a mysterious realm where early memories dwell, hidden from conscious recollection yet silently shaping our understanding of the world. The enigmatic phenomenon of infantile amnesia, where memories from the earliest years seem to slip beyond our grasp, has long perplexed scientists and psychologists alike. Imagine a time when you roamed the world as a curious baby, absorbing sights, sounds, and sensations like a sponge. Despite these experiences, the memories created during those formative years remain elusive, buried beneath layers of growing cognition. The brain, it seems, operates on a complex timetable of memory formation, with early recollections fading into a realm of unconscious echoes. But what if these forgotten memories still linger, waiting to be unveiled through the veil of time? Recent research suggests that the brain may indeed store early memories, encoded in a different manner from adult recollections, yet inaccessible to conscious retrieval. The enigmatic workings of infantile amnesia, once thought to be a mere quirk of early brain development, are now shedding light on the profound mysteries of memory formation. In the quest to unravel the secrets of infantile amnesia, scientists are embarking on groundbreaking experiments, from studying rodents' memory recall using optogenetics to observing children's memory development through EEG scans. Researchers like Sarah Power are delving into the labyrinth of the infant brain, seeking to pinpoint the exact moment when accessible long-term memories begin to form, unlocking the door to a treasure trove of hidden reminiscences. As the puzzle of infantile amnesia unfolds, tantalizing new revelations emerge. From the role of neurogenesis in overwriting early memories to the impact of adverse experiences on memory retention, the intricate dance of memory formation becomes a tapestry of interconnected threads. The brain, a masterful storyteller, weaves a narrative of forgotten recollections and suppressed echoes, hinting at a deeper understanding of human memory's enigmatic dance. Perhaps infantile amnesia holds the key to unlocking not just our earliest memories but also the fundamental workings of human cognition. As researchers delve deeper into the mysteries of the mind, we are poised on the brink of a profound new understanding of memory, perception, and the enigmatic dance of forgotten recollections that shape our very existence. In the labyrinth of the human mind, the shadows of early memories linger, awaiting the light of discovery to illuminate their hidden truths. The journey into the realm of infantile amnesia is just beginning, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the depths of the human psyche and the mysteries that lie beyond. Source: Science. Next story. The science of baby memory and fear in the brain. In a riveting exploration of the mysteries of the human mind, scientists delve into the fascinating realms of memory and fear. Sarah Reardon, a distinguished freelance science journalist, takes us on a journey to uncover the enigma of why infants' memories fade with time. Are these early recollections truly lost forever, or do they linger in the recesses of our minds? Meanwhile, senior scientist Hui-Kwan Lee from Neurocrine Biosciences sheds light on how the brain encodes generalized fear, a profound symptom of anxiety disorders like social anxiety and post-traumatic stress disorder. What mechanisms underlie the persistence of fear in the brain, haunting individuals long after the initial trauma? As we navigate through the intricacies of neuroscience, we confront questions that challenge our understanding of memory and emotion. When does the process of forgetting cease, and what triggers the retention of certain fears? These inquiries propel us into a world where the complexities of the human brain remain shrouded in intrigue. Through ongoing experiments and cutting-edge research, scientists strive to decipher the mechanisms that govern memory retention and fear processing. The interplay between neuronal activity, co-transmitter identity, and acute stress reveals a web of connections that shape our cognitive and emotional experiences. Join us on this compelling voyage into the depths of the mind, where the boundaries between memory and oblivion blur, and the specter of fear casts a lingering shadow. Discover the latest insights from the forefront of neuroscience, where the secrets of our mental landscapes are waiting to be unveiled. As we peer into the brain's inner workings, we are confronted with the profound mysteries of human cognition and emotion. From the ephemeral nature of infancy memories to the enduring grip of fear on the psyche, the stories that unfold within the neural pathways captivate and challenge our perceptions of the self. Through the lens of science and the art of storytelling, we embark on a quest to unlock the enigmas that define our consciousness. Step into a world where memories fade, but fears endure, a world where the essence of our humanity lies entwined with the complexities of the brain. Source: Science. Next story. uncovering the importance of cow-derived gut microbes and the decline in humans. In a surprising twist of evolutionary fate, it appears that some of our essential gut microbes may have stemmed from cows. These microbes, crucial for breaking down complex plant fibers, were likely acquired by humans from the animals thousands of years ago during the early stages of domestication. However, a recent study published in Science reveals a troubling trend. These beneficial microbes are dwindling in certain populations, particularly those in industrialized countries. The culprits behind this decline? Are modern diets rich in fast food and processed snacks. As humans veer away from cellulose-rich foods, the bacteria that depend on these fibers to thrive are slowly disappearing from our gut microbiomes. This loss could have adverse effects on our long-term health, affecting vital systems like the immune and cardiovascular systems, as well as our metabolism. Researchers delving into the human gut microbiome made a surprising discovery: human gut microbes harboring genes typically found in cow bacteria. By analyzing nearly 5,000 samples of cow gut microbe DNA and over 90,000 samples of human gut microbe DNA, the team identified human gut microbial species closely related to those found in cows. These ancient microbes adapted and diversified in the human gut, with some even acquiring genes enabling them to digest other starches like maize and wheat. Further investigations into ancient human fecal samples from Mexico and the US Southwest, as well as modern hunter-gatherers and rural dwellers, revealed a notable decline in specific cellulose-degrading bacterial strains over time. Industrialized societies showed the lowest presence of these bacteria, indicating a drastic loss of gut microbial diversity due to changes in diet. While some experts call for more research to confirm the role of these bacteria in human digestion, the study sheds light on the importance of maintaining a diverse gut microbiome for overall health. The loss of these critical microbes underscores the impact of industrialization on our internal ecosystems and highlights the need to incorporate dietary fibers to support beneficial gut bacteria. Despite the concerning trend, there remains a glimmer of hope. As these microbes still exist in other animals, there is a possibility of reacquiring them in the future. The study not only raises awareness about the vanishing diversity of gut microbes but also emphasizes the intricate relationship between humans, animals, and the microbial world. As we navigate the complexities of our gut ecosystems, the story of our microbial origins continues to unravel, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all living beings in the vast web of life. Source: Science. Next story. Recent headlines: ALS treatment setback, AI protein design regulations, and Ukrainian lab reconstruction. In a whirlwind of groundbreaking developments across various fields, the world of science has been buzzing with news that ranges from the heartbreaking setback in ALS drug development to the remarkable strides in protein design using artificial intelligence technology. In a recent trial, the ALS community faced a tough blow as a drug, Relivrio, failed to show efficacy in a large-scale clinical study. The drug, a beacon of hope for those battling amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, had raised expectations but fell short in delivering the desired outcomes. The setback highlights the pressing need for effective treatments in the fight against this devastating neurological disease. On the brighter side, a group of over 130 biologists has pledged to use artificial intelligence responsibly in their research endeavors. This commitment underscores the potential of AI in revolutionizing protein design for vital applications such as vaccines and medicines, while also acknowledging the importance of biosecurity measures to prevent misuse of this technology for harmful purposes. In the realm of biomedicine, the Morehouse School of Medicine has secured significant funding to address cancer disparities among people of African descent. This ambitious project aims to unravel the factors contributing to unequal cancer outcomes and pave the way for innovative solutions to combat prostate, breast, and pancreatic cancers in marginalized communities. Meanwhile, a pioneering consortium led by Imperial College London is embarking on a groundbreaking initiative to explore mucosal vaccines for COVID-19 through human challenge studies. This innovative approach seeks to enhance the effectiveness of vaccines by administering them via nasal spray or inhalation, potentially opening new avenues in the fight against the ongoing pandemic. Amid these scientific breakthroughs, the global community is also witnessing the urgent need to rebuild scientific infrastructure in war-torn regions like Ukraine. With over $1.26 billion required to restore research facilities destroyed during the conflict with Russia, efforts are underway to support the reconstruction of laboratories and equipment vital for advancing scientific knowledge and innovation. As researchers push the boundaries of knowledge in diverse fields, from psychology to robotics to evolutionary biology, the world of science continues to dazzle with its capacity for innovation and progress. Each discovery, setback, and initiative forms a piece of the intricate puzzle that shapes the future of humanity and paves the way for a better tomorrow. Source: Science. Next story. Why do we baby talk to dogs but not give them baby faces? In a heartwarming tale of interspecies communication, a group of researchers delved into the world of baby talk, comparing how we interact with our human infants versus our beloved canine companions. The study, published in Applied Animal Behavior Science, uncovered a surprising disparity in facial expressions when engaging in baby talk. Despite using similar high-pitched voices and affectionate phrases with both babies and dogs, the researchers noted a striking contrast in our facial expressions. While we tend to be exuberantly expressive with human infants, displaying wide eyes, high eyebrows, and exaggerated smiles, our interactions with dogs are marked by stoicism and neutrality. Evolutionary biologist Anna Gurgley and her team recruited couples who owned both a baby and a pet dog for their study. Through observational analysis and face-reading software, they found that parents exhibited more intense and exaggerated facial expressions when speaking to their babies, compared to the more subdued expressions used with the dogs. The reason behind this difference may lie in our long history of cohabitation with dogs. Facial cues such as wide eyes and exposed gums can be misinterpreted as threats or signs of anxiety in the canine world, prompting us to keep our faces neutral to avoid sending the wrong signals. Gurgley's study sheds light on the subtle nuances of communication between humans and their furry companions. By being mindful of our facial expressions and understanding how they may be interpreted by dogs, we can enhance our bond and improve our ability to connect with them on a deeper level. This captivating research underscores the intricate ways in which language and expression intersect across species, offering valuable insights into the art of communication between humans and their beloved pets. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of interspecies communication, one thing remains clear: the language of love knows no boundaries, whether we're cuddling our babies or petting our dogs. Source: Science. Next story. Starship rocket successfully soars in space, faces challenges in re-entry. In the breaking dawn of a Texan morning, the world stood witness to a spectacle of steel and fire as SpaceX's colossal Starship rocket soared into the skies. This third test flight, though not flawless, pushed boundaries previously untouched, showcasing the potential for a new era in space exploration. As the rocket ascended, the booster and upper stage parted ways, a dramatic maneuver that led to the booster's less-than-perfect landing in the Gulf of Mexico. Nevertheless, the upper stage journeyed across the globe, executing various tasks such as propellant transfer and payload deployment, setting the stage for future orbital refueling missions. Despite a hiccup during re-entry that resulted in an early breakup, Starship's capabilities offer a glimpse into a future where space missions could be revolutionized. Elon Musk's vision of a reusable rocket that could drastically reduce costs and enable human presence on distant celestial bodies seems within reach. The implications of Starship's success extend beyond space travel, promising advancements in astronomy and planetary science. With its unprecedented payload capacity, scientists envision expeditions to Mars equipped with an array of instruments that could transform our understanding of the Red Planet and pave the way for sustainable human habitation. NASA has already set its sights on integrating Starship into its Artemis program, with plans to land astronauts on the Moon using this groundbreaking technology. However, bureaucratic hurdles remain, requiring adjustments to ensure that scientists can fully leverage the potential of Starship for future missions. Amidst upgrades and regulatory scrutiny, SpaceX's ambitious timeline for Starship's development presses forward, with multiple orbital flights and lunar landings on the horizon. The successful evolution of this rocket isn't just a personal endeavor for Musk, it has become a linchpin for NASA's future ambitions in space. As Starship blazes through the atmosphere, carrying with it the hopes and dreams of a generation captivated by the stars, the world awaits eagerly for what lies beyond the horizon. A future where the impossible becomes routine, and humanity's reach extends to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. Source: Science. Next story. Ensuring expert evaluation. Incorporating canine reviewers in science publishing. In the realm of scientific publishing, a peculiar incident recently unfolded that shed light on the murky world of predatory journals. Meet David Robert Grimes, a cancer researcher whose adorable 8-month-old Labrador retriever, Indiana Grimes Carthy Bones, affectionately known as Indy, inadvertently found himself listed as a reviewer for a veterinary journal. How did this canine companion end up with such a prestigious, albeit unconventional, role? It all began with a flood of emails from predatory publishers bombarding Grimes, seeking contributions for their journals. Annoyed by the persistent solicitations, Grimes decided to have a bit of fun with one of the rogue publishers. Crafting a fictitious CV brimming with puns and dog-related references, he designated Indy as the ideal candidate for reviewing submissions. To his surprise, the publisher eagerly accepted the offer, even switching the journal's focus to veterinary medicine to accommodate the four-legged reviewer. Despite the obvious absurdity of the situation, the dog's presence on the reviewer board raised serious concerns about the integrity of scientific publishing. Grimes, in a candid interview with ScienceAdviser, expressed his dismay at the prevalence of predatory practices in academia. He highlighted the detrimental impacts of such misconduct on the scientific community, emphasizing the urgent need for accountability and reform. The proliferation of predatory publishers not only jeopardizes the credibility of research but also perpetuates a culture of publish or perish that incentivizes unethical behavior. As Grimes aptly pointed out, the lack of stringent measures to combat fraudulent practices allows substandard research to permeate scholarly literature, leading to significant research waste and eroding public trust in science. The dog's unwitting foray into the world of peer review serves as a whimsical yet poignant reminder of the underlying issues plaguing the academic publishing landscape. In the face of these challenges, Grimes advocates for greater scrutiny, transparency, and accountability within the scientific community. By fostering a culture of integrity and quality assurance, researchers can safeguard the integrity of scholarly publishing and uphold the principles of scientific rigor. The canine reviewer fiasco may have been a playful anecdote, but it underscores the pressing need for a concerted effort to combat predatory practices and uphold the standards of academic excellence. In a world where even dogs can be recruited as reviewers, the call for reform in scientific publishing resonates more strongly than ever. As researchers navigate the complex terrain of scholarly communication, it is imperative to remain vigilant against predatory publishers and uphold the values of honesty, transparency, and intellectual rigor that underpin the scientific endeavor. Source: Science.